So after a long wait, I have my unit of, I assume this is the Mext, Unique Melody Mext, the latest rage when it comes to IEMs. This is a hybrid IEM. They are saying this is a tribrid, but this is basically a hybrid IEM, 3BA, 1DD, and one bone conduction unit. But the bone conduction unit on the Mext was not exactly great, but they have been improving that, and I believe this is the better one. Time to brighten things up. No, not working. Come on. Okay, nevertheless, let's see if there is anything. Mext, bone conduction, DDBA, so 4.4 mm termination. I think this has the same cable as the Mext, so I'm not exactly worried about that. So this is the IEM. Same pouch or case, you guys can see, same, very similar size too. I'll compare this with the Mext Mark II, and we will see the differences. Elastic. Oh, there are filters. I was not aware of that. So this IEM has filters. Seriously, no one told me there are filters. Nevertheless, that is reasonable. These are the stock tips. No comply tips anymore. These are the elastic Sedna tips. The card, nice. So this is a more simpler setup here, simpler set of accessories. There isn't anything fancy. Let's have a look at the IEMs here. I like this cable really. This is a good cable. These are the IEMs. Where is that bone conduction driver here? So this is the bone conduction driver, ultimate sound. Okay. By UM. So made by Unique Melody. I'll be trying this. I'll be comparing it with the 64 audio duo. So let's see how this really goes against virtually open back IEM. This is supposed to be very good too, but cannot confirm without hearing. So that's it. This is my unboxing of the Mext. Thank you for watching, guys. Have a nice day. Enjoy.